Welcome guys to the Jet Janix channel again today, and today we will learn how we can aid a line break within the chart. Okay, let me show you this word. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Now it's okay. I think yes. So this one. Oh, sorry guys. Sorry. I'm really so sorry. I didn't formatted it before, but now anyway it's okay, you can read it. Adding a line break within the chart. Okay, this is what we are going to do now. So, and what does it mean? It means that when you insert a chart or a diagram or a figure, it will show you the performance of each person on the vertical and axis, and on the horizontal axis you will see their names with their scores. Okay, so it is a very unique trick you can learn today. So how we are going to do it, please watch the video till the end so that you can understand how can we customize our charts, okay, in a very good presentation. For a good presentation we have to add the line break here. Okay, we are going to create the line break in a chart by just press the equal sign and select the cell, I mean the name of the person, and insert the symbol of and after this you have to type char. Okay, and after this you just type 10, close the parenthesis. Again you have to insert the and symbol, and you have to select this cell, okay, which is having the unit sold. So because I cannot select it with the mouse, so I'm just going to type it. Okay, and this is the sorry, E5. Yes, I think this is the E5. Okay, E, oh sorry guys, this is the yes, this is the E5. Okay, and I have to press enter. You see now this is the early 345, and if we want to calculate for the remaining persons we will just double click this one. Okay, now you see of course it doesn't make any sense, but now when we insert the chart you will see the difference we made here. Okay, so select both of these two columns and now go to the charts. Okay, and you can insert a chart here, and let me insert this one. Okay, this one, yes, it's very good, it's very good, the nice one. So I will insert it here. Okay, oh guys, now we found it. Let me drag it a bit down so that we can have it on our screen. Okay, so yes, getting a line break. Sorry guys, I think I have done something wrong here. Wait. There is something wrong with this chart. Okay, let me insert it again. Okay, and this is the line break and insert charts. Sorry, this one, recommended one. Okay, you can see the chart here. Okay, if you can see on the vertical axis we have unit solds. Okay, and these are starting from the 0, 10, 20, 30 and so on, and this is the score of the Ali, which is, you see, you can see the name here, and also the also his score, the Khan and his score, Tariq and his score, Zain and his score, Lee and his corresponding score. Okay, let me insert it here. If we can just do it, wait, I just want to resize it because we can't see it anywhere. I will just scroll it down. Okay, let me scroll it down, but I can't scroll it down. I don't know what happened or what is this. I don't know. Let me do it like this, but the computer got hanged. Sorry guys, I'm sorry. Anyway, wait, let me do it. No, sorry, it doesn't work anymore, and this one is not working, this one, nothing is working. Okay, so I think you got the basic idea what was the main purpose of this um, line break. Okay, you can show the person with his score on the chart. Okay, If you don't create this line break, you will just see the name of the persons. Okay, I think it's okay, you can try it on your own and you will do it. Okay, so please like our video, share it with your friend, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. And sorry for the inconvenience because my computer got hanged. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Thank you guys. Bye bye.